Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw and color a yummy burger. First, draw a big round bun on the top. Now draw some wavy lines under the bun. This is the fresh lettuce. Now draw a slice of tomato. Let's draw a big cheese slice. Yummy! Now draw a burger patty. Finally, draw the bottom bun. Add some small sesame seeds on it. Let's color the burger now. Color the bun yellow. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Color the lettuce green. Color the tomato red. Color the cheese yellow. Color the patty dark brown. Wow! Our burger looks so delicious!